Now, how do you allow cookies on the iPad? Let's talk about it. If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials like this one. Well, on your iPad, locate the main settings app where at the bottom of the list, we have the dedicated apps section. So this lets us specifically manage settings of individual apps. So from the list, we can scroll, it's sorted alphabetically. So we go to the S and find the Safari right there. From the options, we again go entirely to the bottom where we select the advanced settings, and you have the ability to click on block all cookies. So if you want to allow cookies on the iPad, you need to make sure that this is not blocked right here, right? So you just don't want to block them, and therefore you want to allow them, right? So this is specifically for using Safari. Of course, you might be using some different web browsers as well, for example, like Chrome or even others, right? And those also have their own dedicated settings within the application. But some of them have the cookies selection, some of them do not, right? So it kind of depends on the app, but a lot of people use Safari, and if that is the case with you as well, this is how you can change it. So in case of any additional questions, leave them below in the comments, but I'm gonna wrap up the video right now. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next one.